So today I have Frederick with me again, and we're going to test out these mud flaps from Teslify. So let's check them out. We're testing first without the mud flaps to see how the water and the dirt hits the car, and see how much the mud flaps protects the car from water and dirt after we mounted it. Okay, so that was the first run without the mud flaps. Now let's mount them. Alright, so I got these mud flaps from Teslify.se, and they're marked here with the front right, rear right, front left and the rear left. And you also get some of these clips. We're going to replace the ones that's already there with these ones that is a bit longer. You get some screws, and you also get some screws that's going to be used up here. But the first thing we need to do is to turn the steering wheel so we actually can have some room to work. And we're going to start with the front right one. Okay. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to remove these clips. And I think we're going to clean up a bit as well. And maybe we're going to put some protection here so we don't scratch the paint. Okay. Alright, so we have mounted the mud flaps. Let's see if there's any difference. The weather in this country...
It's perfect for mud flaps.
It's perfect for mud flaps, the weather, yeah. But there's not much daylight. So it's just been like 2 hours and it's already getting dark. So you can clearly see that mud flaps actually helps a lot. The water drips down instead of going up on towards the car. And it's the same on both front and rear wheels. And actually Tesla now provides mud flaps in the front, but they're not as big as these ones from Teslify. And they actually provide two different ones, but the longer ones, they're actually too long, so they actually will hit the ground, at least on this performance version. So that's really nice. Make sure to check out the link in the description if you're interested in this kit. It's now $2.99 Swedish, which is about 28-29 euros. Right, thanks for watching, drive safely, and I see you in the next one. Okej, ska vi slå på kamerorna?
Mhm.
Min är igång. Beredd?
Ja.